Hold on one second, y'all, because something stuck to my lip. Hold on. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mo. Today's video is so exciting because I'm going to show you all some of the inventory I just got in that I'm going to give away on Christmas Day. So if you're new to my channel, you may not know that I own a clothing and accessories line called Chic, and you can check it out at urbanlychic.com. And on Christmas Day, I'm giving away $5,000 worth of inventory. To participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is follow my personal Instagram account, which is @MookieDo, follow my business page, which is @urbanlychic, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll put all three of the page names on the screen as well as in the description box. So all you have to do is those three things, and then on Christmas Day, go to my website, which will be password protected. The password will be revealed to my Instagram followers on Urbanly Chic's page, and then you can just go to the site, add a maximum of 2 items to cart, and check out. If you would like a third free gift, there is a way to get one, to get a third gift. And those instructions will be in the description box, because if I try to explain it right now, it's going to be totally confusing. I will also put the general giveaway instructions in the description box as well. Hold on one second, y'all, because something stuck to my lip. Hold on. So I was shocked when everything came in. So let's just start with a bang. So these are definitely going to sell out, and I am planning to get some more to sell on the site once these have been given away, the ones that I bought. They are amazing. They're these like rhinestone bags. I don't want to call them mesh because they're kind of, to me, mesh implies that they're really thin, and they're not. And like, they're not. They're just like super good quality. They have a chain strap. Y'all know how I am about chain straps, which is removable. But I think this would be so pretty to take on vacation. And it's just a gorgeous bag. So I love this. I'm gonna get more so that I can sell after the giveaway. But of course, these will be available during the giveaway in limited quantities. So try to pick one up. Let me show you the other color. Y'all, I wanna go back to that vendor tonight and get some more. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this because of the ring light, but I'll definitely do a close-up. But these are gorgeous, and I'm extremely impressed. This one, the other one has a gunmetal colored chain, and this one has a silver colored chain. So I am obsessed with those. Let's move on to the next gift item. All right, so the next item is also amazing. I thought I pulled it up here. Let me just reach down. Y'all, this is how it goes sometimes. So I have these fur bags, these faux fur bags that have a pom-pom attached to them. And this one is neon yellow. Yeah, let's scoot back from the light so you can see. That's the true color too. It's picking up the true color. This is a neon yellow one. And it has a removable strap as well. Here's one that's mustard. And y'all know I love mustard, especially against brown skin. I just think mustard is amazing. By the way, my headband is from my site. And there are also going to be additional colors like this cobalt blue or royal blue. We have this hot pink. And we're also going to offer it in black. So those are all the colors for the fur bag. Let's move on to the next gift item. So next we have some berets. Like, these are those European style berets, and they have a tie at the back so that you can adjust them, because you know, some people have big heads like me and some people have little heads, so you can adjust it based on your head size, which is nice. And these are velvet, and they're so pretty. There's a black one. We're going to offer it also in burgundy, and we're going to offer it in this pretty color, which is like a mauve. It's like a nice mix of purple and pink, and it's just super pretty. I would put it on my head, y'all, but it might get stuck, so yeah. Just look out for these on the site as well. We're going to give these away as well. And let's move on to this item that I have right here, which is this mini jelly bag that is going to be available in purple. and blue. The quality is so amazing. It reminds me of the mini jelly bags I have on my site now that are almost sold out. And I was shocked at the quality of those. So I figured the quality of these would be good, and I was right because I'm super impressed by this. So, and of course this chain is long. It's not removable, but you can just drag it down into the inside of the bag if you want to just carry it as a clutch. But these are super cute. So there's one color. We have some more colors right here. Ooh, this is so cute. It's going to be available in pink and red. Super cute. And of course, y'all know I will insert close-ups if it's not clear when I watch the footage back. Look at this color combo. Green. It's like a true green or a forest green and a lime green. It's super cute. So pretty. Once again, has the chain strap. So it can be worn crossbody. And I have this in white and I wear it crossbody. Look at these, y'all. So earlier when I filmed this video, my reaction, I had not taken any of these out and looked at them, and my reaction was so hilarious because I was really like shocked at how nice these are. Like, they're so pretty and they're super nice. Like, the quality is amazing. And I also need to bring more of these to the site once these sell out during the giveaway, because these gonna go. Y'all already know, people gonna snatch them. This is gonna be over. Look at this color. This like matte, oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. Also has a chain strap. And let me show you some more colors. We're gonna offer it in this beautiful royal blue. So the royal blue as well as the green color, these two colors have like a pearlescent effect to them. I feel like they have a bit of an effect to them. Whereas these, y'all, look at the black. The black is so bad. These are just straight up matte. And I feel like I want to grab a few of these in additional colors. Like there's some yellow, there's red, just because those are just fire. So y'all, it gets crazy sometimes doing these videos. Anyhow, I'm so glad I redid this. I feel like it's so much better and more professional and not a hot mess and all over the place. So I'm gonna clean all this up and try to shoot some more content. Y'all, I have so many haul videos coming because I shopped. You know how they say shop until you drop? Oh, I dropped all right, okay? I shopped like crazy Black Friday, Cyber Monday, that whole weekend. And I shopped only from Black owned brands. Now, right before Black Friday, I did shop some other brands. And so I have haul videos for those brands as well. And since Cyber Monday, I have shopped some more. So I'm gonna have a bunch of haul videos for you all. So look out for those. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Don't forget to comment. Let me know if you all like short videos or long videos, because I tend to like longer videos. So let me know what you all like. And also I have a notebook that is full of content ideas, but let me know what type of content you all want to see or that you like. Please give me some feedback. Don't just like DM me or text me. For the people who know me, feel free to drop a comment. And yeah, don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see additional videos from me. So thank y'all so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Please stay safe and be blessed. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.